everybody, so today we are at Target and we are on a mission to find white eyeliner. I'm going to be doing a challenge video that I need white eyeliner for. La, la, la. We love Target. All the girls' clothes. Makeup. Alright. Cover girl, cover girl, cover girl. Our mission today is to find something that doesn't break the bank per our channel's efforts. So we have all of this in a cart. Okay, let's see. Do we see eyeliner? Oh, eyeliner? Oh, I found a white eyeliner, but it's a pencil. Okay, so white eyeliner by e.l.f., but it's a pencil. Do we want a pencil? Kinda didn't want a pencil. Kinda wanted liquid eyeliner. Let's see. Hippity hop over to Wet n Wild. What is this? What is this? No. That's a brow lighter, highlighter, brow lighter, brow highlighter. There's a person behind me. They're calling for people. Do you see the person?
Hey, Challange, right now is not a good time. If you can use your front end, that would be great. If not, then
Oh no, that's Physicians Formula. Alright, it doesn't look like Wet n Wild has any. Ooh, Perfect Berry Lip Tint. How much is that? Oh, it's $8. I don't want that right now. Ooh, you're fine. What color is this? Ooh, this one's white, but it's also a pencil. Oh, what about this? Oh, this is an eyeshadow pencil. Oh, I'm filming a video for YouTube. Thanks. So, this. Oh, I got this.
There's some clearance stuff in here. I don't know if you want anything.
You got clearance? She's got clearance. See, yeah.
Clearance.
There's so much. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna walk and we're gonna decide. So I found 2 white eyeliners, not liquid, so that's kind of a downer because that's what I was looking for with a liquid eyeliner. But I did find 2. Okay. So the first one I found was this e.l.f. one, and it was like $1. The other one I found is this jumbo eye pencil from NYX, and it was $4.49. So I'm gonna get both. There's a reason I'm gonna get both, because I was gonna get the jumbo eyeliner anyways at a later date. We'll film another video for that. We'll choose a different theme for that video later. But Target was a success for what we were looking for, so we'll probably just end up adding this to the video that I'm going to use because I thought that this was going to take longer. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I did my foundation and my eyebrows off camera, and the first thing I'm going to be doing for this look is I'm going to be going in with my Ruby Kisses eye primer. I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics palette and I'm going to grab this gray color right here. And from this, I'm going to be using my fluffy brush for my BH Cosmetics set. And I'm going to be using that color just to use as a transition so that when I do my black, it'll blend smoothly into my brow bone. And we're going to use circular motions with a back and forth stroke at the same time. And I'm going to lighten the pressure that I apply towards my brow bone just so it's barely moving that color. Next, I'm going to be going into that same palette and I'm going to be picking up this cream color right here, and I'm going to be going in with my smaller fluffy brush and I'm just going to go along the edges of that gray color to smooth it out a little more. And again, we're using the same circular motions and back and forth stroke, just to lighten it up a bit. Next, I'm going to go back into that same palette and I'm going to be using this black color right here. And for this step, I'm actually going to be using my flat brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to tap that color directly onto my eyelid. Now I'm going to go back in with the first brush that I had and I'm going to smooth that line out. Now I'm going to be going in with this darker color. It's not necessarily a gray, but I wouldn't call it a black either. And I'm going to take this brush from BH Cosmetics and I'm going to go right in the corner here and just work it in to kind of create a V shape. And now I'm going to take that and I'm going to spread it into my crease. Once I've done that, I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush and I'm just going to buff that out. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with my NYX Cosmetics black eyeliner. And I'm only going to bring that part way across. Next, I'm going to take my brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics and I'm going to go back in with that black eyeshadow and buff out my eyeliner. And because this lower lash line is looking a little harsh, I'm going to go back in with that smaller blending brush and I'm going to take some of the gray and just kind of blend it out. Alright guys, that's it for my eyeshadow portion. I'm going to go off camera and do my other eye, and I'll come back and we'll do my eyeliner. Alright guys, I'm back. So before I do my eyeliner, I'm going to try and clean up some of this fallout and mistakes with my concealer. And the concealer I'm using today, the MAC Studio Conceal and Correct. So I'm just going to take this and kind of go over the spots that I feel like were mistakes, or just kind of blending got out of control. And we're just going to pat that in. And then I'm also going to use this concealer for my highlight. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my fingers. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with a liquid eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics. I'm sorry if you guys can't see this, but I'm blind. As a bite. I need like sonar for this. For my lashes, I'm first going to be going over them with my sample of They're Real by Benefit Cosmetics. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my contour, and for my contour, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Night Palette with this shade right here. For my blush today, I'm going to be going into my Ulta Peach Pop palette, and I'm using this shade right here. For my highlight today, I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illumination, and I'm going to be patting that in with my Beauty Blender. Ooh, that is brighter than I anticipated. Try and blend that into everything. For my lips, I am again going to be using my Ruby Kisses Creamalicious. Alright you guys, this is my finished look. I hope you liked it today. If you want, go ahead and like my channel. Click that notification bell and you'll be first to know when I post new videos. I do post a new video every week. Subscribe to my channel to become a panda doll, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!